What's the deal? It's Randall.
And Jose, and we're here at ModfX.
So, you already know we've been busy at work this year. OMG Red 707 is one of the project cars we've had. And so, my man had a custom car. He did a makeover. You know, anytime you have a custom car, sometimes you get bored and just start doing stuff that you shouldn't be doing. But this is an example of what happens when you do that. So, he had an accurate air ride system, switched it over to Airlift, wanted to try something new. You know, got some different wheels. You know, pretty much redid the interior, redid the trunk, and so pretty much reworked the whole car over, new hood, for example. And so we just go over a few things did to this car, and we'll let y'all be the judge of how this project came out. So y'all stay tuned. The first thing you'll see, you know, it's a big red HELLCAT. You know, originally this HELLCAT was a slim body car. It does have a wide body kit. This is one of the first wide bodies we did, and so
which is still intact till today.
Yeah, still looking good. And so, you know, we get a lot of cars about the wide body, so this is one of the OGs, we'll say. And so, still going strong. So as you can see, the wheels tuck in pretty nicely on this wide body kit. You know, he has 20 by 11s. Those are Voxx replica wheels, replicas of the OEM 2020 plus wide bodies, and so they tucked in nicely. And the fitment is on point. And so, you know, we're walking around the car.
315s in the rear, right?
Yeah, 315s, I believe. And so we'll go ahead and walk around, show some of the interior real quick. Make sure you give my man a follow, OMG Red 707 on Instagram. There you see it, boom. And check the interior out. So you have the door seals that have his name in it. You know, he has to be custom. You have the diamond plated floor mats, carbon fiber everywhere. And you can see the LED dash trim. And so just a few little custom touches, nothing too crazy, but definitely something to make him stand out. You know, of course he's going with the red theme, so everything is red, but it is fully color changeable and it works with your cell phone remote as well.
The LED trim is made by Lighting Trends. The interior pieces are by Dyna Performance. The steering wheel is Dyna Performance. You got the Pro Clip USA holder for the air ride. I will go over to the other side so you can get a good close look, but I just want to make sure you know what companies were the ones that supplied the material for this car. The hood, which we're going to walk over to the front right now, is Anderson Composite. And as you can see, Anderson Composite, man, they got a really nice quality hood and pieces. Randall, I believe he's getting it for his own car. You'll probably see him with a bunch of Anderson Composite pieces. Am I right, Randall?
Yes, sir. Also at the front of this vehicle, you know, we have the custom headlights. We have Flow Series halos. They're not on right now. We're letting the battery charge back up. But you have the X-Lume HELLCAT badge. We also have underglow on this vehicle. Down there, it's kind of dark, but we do have an APR splitter, as well as a carbon fiber printed lip. And so under the hood, it's kind of dark. We probably should add some LEDs in here. But as you can see, we have a powder coated supercharger lid. In this case, when we do them, we do the bolts as well. And so you can see you have a copper bolt here. It kind of adds a nice touch to the...
What intake does he have?
This is a leg maker intake. So
okay.
This intake is pretty cool because it allows the HELLCAT to give you that whine sound that you're probably used to hearing on Instagram and all over when you see him driving around. And then he has billet take underhood pieces. Everything else is hydro dipped in a nice red carbon fiber pattern, which is pretty cool. So that's pretty much it for under the engine bay.
The interior has carbon fiber made by Dyna Performance. There's a nice overlay kit that goes over the whole entire dash trim, everything in the inside, the shifter, console, radio bezel, and then he has Dyna Performance steering wheel with the RPM gauges. He also has a light up airbag right there, see that? And we're gonna turn on the steering wheel so you can get an idea of it. And that's the Dyna Performance steering wheel. You wanna zoom in on that? He put Alcantara with red stitching on it. As you can see, he's got the extended paddles over here. You gotta excuse the compressors because they came on real quick. And then you got the RPM gauge right there. Yeah, there you go. I like that, right? And then his new setup in the trunk. Did I miss anything over here? No, I didn't miss anything, right? Oh, he does have that too. I didn't even see that.
Oh yeah, a little carbon fiber antenna.
The satellite antenna made in carbon fiber. That's pretty nice.
Everything carbon fiber. So here's the lady of the hour. Real quick, you see a Downforce Solutions. This is a metal wicker bill, so this is some of the better quality wicker bill manufacturing you'll see. And then you have the acrylic window, and this does illuminate as well. And so if we cut the headlights on, you'll see this light up red also, which is pretty cool. Nice little touch, you know, nothing too crazy, but you know, it's all about the details. And so boom, you know, let them see it. And then when the reverse lights come on, you got the OMG 707 as well. So my man has his car branded appropriately. As you can see, here goes the trunk.
Oh, let's connect to that trunk real quick. Boom, there we go. So we did kind of like a nice Flow Series to match the headlights. And, you know, got a bunch of different running positions and whatnot. You got the standard colors as well. I'm gonna show the application right beside it, if you can kind of see it a little bit, and you can go through all the auto settings. It has a bunch of different ones. We can slow it down. You can see it grows and collapses and whatnot. Then we can go ahead and make it really fast, and we can change the colors all we want. Got a bunch of nice little colors on there, as you can see.
And to give you a brand breakdown real quick, you have an Airlift Performance air tank. You see we did do a red finish, kind of like a candy red, so it shows that brushed grain underneath. You have the Buyer 444 compressors, which provide your air to the air tank. You see you have your copper hard lines, which are going to give all your plumbing to your airbags. And then you also have your Airlift Performance 3P management, as well as the, what else do we have in here? As well as the custom platform LEDs. And that's kind of what we call their modfx treatment. So
we changed the Airlift Performance plate to a modfx plate. You can see there, we wanted a little bit of that goldish copper look to it, that tone to match.
So as you can see, from mild to wild, it's pretty much the sky's the limit. All you need is budget, a little bit of time, a little bit of imagination. We can make anything happen for you. So, you know, don't be afraid to reach out, no matter where you at. You know, we're always available to help as time permits. And other than that, we hope you enjoyed this one. We got a lot of cool projects coming soon, so y'all stay tuned. Y'all be safe.
Oh, hell no, hell no. Wearing around though, come on now. You forgot to say it at the beginning of the video like you always do.
Hey, modfx TV live, y'all know what it is.